we founded Matsikoudis Fanciullo going on almost a decade ago. But both Bill Matsikoudis and I will never forget this, we were sitting in a diner in the city of Jersey City, and it was amazing how much our philosophies aligned. One of the biggest boxes that we felt we wanted to check in both of our legal careers was to help people. We wanted to help people who have been hurt achieve justice. And that's why we founded this firm. We, on a daily basis, intervene, we give the voiceless a voice, and we seek justice for people who have been hurt, whether it's physically hurt, whether it's emotionally or psychologically hurt, whether it's been hurt as a business. We try to give the voiceless a voice, and we try to seek justice for people who deserve it.
Without a doubt, the most fulfilling thing about being a lawyer is having a client come to us and saying, thank you so much for resolving this major issue in my life. Most of the cases that we're working on represent a major problem for our clients.
The most fulfilling thing about being a lawyer for me is the ability to make a difference. That's exactly why I got into this. For 13 years, I was a broadcast television reporter. I was on TV all the time. And over the course of 13 years, I think I made a difference. I did something that had an impact on someone's life, maybe 5 times, and that wasn't enough for me. So I became a lawyer so I could get a little bit more plugged in and had a lot more direct access and a substantially more direct route to making a difference for people.
My background in government has given me the opportunity to understand how government functions from the local to the state level, whether it's working as the head attorney for the city of Jersey City or as a counsel to the governor. I have developed a lot of relationships that will help me make contacts that can assist my clients, but it also has given me an understanding about how government functions, so that when our cases involve a regulatory body, for example, or if we're advancing a client's interest in the governmental sphere, those relationships and those experiences help me to get a desired result.
I think the experiences that I've had up until now make me a far better lawyer for a couple of different reasons. First of all, for 13 years I was a broadcast news reporter, and so much of law is about communication, communicating very complicated ideas in a short and easy format for someone to understand. So I think that's a huge element of who I am and of why I'm a decent lawyer. The second element that I think is important is philosophy, and I think I was taught early on by my parents, who did a great job of teaching me right from wrong. One of the proudest times I've ever been of my parents was when I was a high school kid, and my mom had just been promoted to a wonderful new managerial position, and in that position she saw her company doing something really, really wrong, and so she sacrificed everything professionally to stand up and say it was wrong and to stop them from doing it. It cost her dearly, but I couldn't have been prouder of her, and that makes its way into my lawyering every single day.
My partner and I got into the practice of law because we wanted to make a difference in society, and whether that's getting compensation for a person who's been injured through corporate indifference, or getting a contaminated site cleaned up in court, we focus on getting positive results that not only help our clients, but hopefully do something good for society at large. And we're a small firm that's focused like lasers on getting positive results in the courtroom for our clients, whether it's in a personal injury case, an employment case, a business litigation case, or environmental litigation case. We have recovered millions of dollars for our clients because we work tirelessly, we prepare impeccably, and we won't stop until we can get a just result for our client.